Video 5.3, Agreement with Compound Subjects. A sentence has a compound subject when two or more subjects share the same verb. In the present tense, use the rules on the following slides. When two or more singular subjects are joined by and, they take a plural verb. For example, Jupiter, Saturn, and Neptune have many moons. Since we're looking for a plural verb, we're going to say they as our subject. They have. So have is the plural verb. Or Jill and Jack know a lot about astronomy. Again, it's singular subjects joined by and, so we're going to have basically a plural subject, they, and we could say they know a lot. So know is the plural verb. When two or more singular subjects are joined by or nor, they take a singular verb. For example, neither Mercury nor Venus has a moon. So it's going to be singular. We're going to say it. It has a moon. So has is the singular verb. Or either Martin or Pat takes the dog out after school. Since it's a singular subject, we're going to say he, since it's a guy in this case, he takes the dog out. So takes is the singular verb. Finally, when a singular subject and a plural subject are joined by or nor, the verb agrees with the subject closer to it. So for example, neither the stars nor the moon is visible tonight. So moon is closest to the verb is, so you're going to use that as the singular verb. Moon is visible. Or neither the moon nor the stars are visible tonight. In this case, stars is closest to the verb, so we're going to use a plural verb, are. They are visible. And finally, is the moon or the stars visible tonight? In this case, we've got an inverted sentence. Moon is closest to the verb is, so it's singular. And then finally, are the stars or the moon visible tonight? In this case, stars is closest to the verb are, so it's plural and plural. They are visible. Let's take a practice test choosing the correct verb. And again, we're going to underline the subject and then choose the verb, the correct verb in the parentheses. Number 1, in space, an accident or emergency is or are always a danger. In this case, we've got accident and emergency as our subject. And since it's two singular joined by or, we know we need a singular verb, is. It is always a danger. 2, mission control or reporters updates or update the public. Now in this case, we have mission control as a singular, reporters as a plural, they're joined by or, so we need to go with the subject closest to the verb, which is reporters, which is plural. So we would say they update the public, so update is the plural verb. Number 3, is or are a space colony or a temporary settlement likely? We've got space colony as a singular and temporary settlement singular, so it's going to be singular. Is the verb. It is likely. And number 4, neither Mars nor the moon has or have breathable air. We've got a plural Mars next to a singular moon joined by nor, so we're going to go with the one closest to the verb, which is moon, which is singular. So you would say it has breathable air. So has is your singular verb. Good luck finding the right verb on your own.